here. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that little subscribe button. But I had the opportunity to partner with FabFitFun. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription where you can get products for only $49.99, but it's a total of like $200 worth of products because it gives you the full size. So if you love fashion, if you love beauty, all those fun things, you don't want to miss out on this. So I'm super excited. So it came in the mail. This is what it looks like. Looks like a little boom box, right? I mean, just kidding. But this is how big it is. It's super crazy. So let's open it. I just love the packaging. It's so friendly. It's so girly. It has flowers. It has more flowers. It's super cute. So they gave me $10 off my next box, which I thought was pretty cute. And then everyone knows what HelloFresh is, so they gave me a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I actually may try it out. Yeah, so I'm actually going to use this. Let me know, thumbs up this video, or leave me a comment down below if you guys want me to make a video. I know there's like tons of video on HelloFresh, but I actually want to try it myself and see if it tastes like something, because I mean, if it doesn't have any good seasonings, it's not going to work. Alright, so opening this box, the first thing I see automatically is freaking Tarte Cosmetics. So I got a full size of the Drink H2O, which is freaking crazy. So let's open it for you guys. If you have really dry skin, this would definitely be a really good one to have. Look at that. It's a full size. What? That's crazy. All right. So this is what it looks like. Definitely smells like lavender. I freaking love lavender. Oops. This is the texture of it. So it's a water-based. You can definitely tell. And ooh, I would just apply this as a moisturizer every day. I wouldn't put this on when I go to bed because I already have a night cream for that. But yeah, it's definitely a really good consistency. And for a full size of this, that's amazing. So far the Tarte H2O. If you have really dry skin, this would be good. And honestly, even if you have oily skin, this would be good because it balances out your pH in your skin, which is really good. So the next thing I noticed is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I actually been looking for an eye cream, so this is right on time. And again, this is a full size, guys. This is crazy. So this is the Renewing Eye Cream, like I said, by Murad. This is the packaging that it comes in. And I like that it has like a nice little pump. And so that way you're able to balance how much product you're using. Because whenever you're using eye cream, you only literally need not even like a half of a dime size. And you just tap it into your skin like this underneath your eye. So that way you're kind of beating at any puffiness and things of that sort. So I like that they're able to give you a full size of name brand stuff. I mean, come on guys, this is crazy. So let's move on to the next product. Also got some strengthening nail and cuticle serum, which is crazy because I mean, I'm not the type to do my nails at all. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I don't do my nails whatsoever. But it is pretty good to have this because every time I get my nails done, they always tell me how bad my cuticles are. So honestly, even if I use this, I really wouldn't know what to do. But hey, I guess it helps with like the dryness of your cuticles. Let's find out. It says that it's 100% natural. So it's a serum. It's an antioxidant. It has vitamin E oil in it. So that's pretty cool. And it says apply 1 to 2 drops on nails and cuticles daily. So yeah, so if you have really dry cuticles like me, then this would be ideal. I think I honestly have like really dry cuticles because I wash my hands a lot. Because I touch face and skin all the time, and at work I'm really like particular because people are sick and they be touching doorknobs and stuff, and then we washing their hands when we go to the bathroom. Nobody got time for that. They also gave me this Libido Inspired by Nature. It's a body lotion which comes in a really nice size. If you're a big purse person, you may want to wear it. Put this in your purse. I love lotions in my purse because I love to apply it after I go to the bathroom or anything like that, or just if I'm dry and I miss the spot, you know. So it has a really nice thick consistency. yeah, it has a really nice thick consistency. And it seems as though it's all natural based. A lot of it has a lot of citrus in it, so I probably won't be the best person to use this because I am allergic to oranges, so I have to be careful. But it smells, it smells so good. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that smells good. So I also got a Leave On Mud, a Leave On Dead Sea Mud mask from Avea, and it's packaged up, and I'm not gonna like swatch this for you guys because it is a mask and I don't have anything to wipe my hands with. But it says that it's for calming, so if you have any irritation in your skin, there you go. So I thought that was pretty cool. So then I also got Ish. And I'm assuming this is a makeup palette, so let's open it up. Ugh. I can't believe they give you all of this stuff. It's super crazy. And then when you open it, it has really nice colors, especially for my skin tone. I like the warm colors because the warm colors just look good on me. So yeah, so I definitely like this. It looks like there's mainly shimmer colors and 3 or 4 matte colors. So let's move on to the next thing, by Summer and Rose, A Place for Everything. So let's open it and see exactly what this is. Ew. Ugh, I don't like the sound of cardboard. Okay. Oh, it's cute. It's a little tray. So you can put like makeup and things on here. You can put your lashes on here. But this is super cute. I love that it has, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it has a little bit of pink in there. A lot of personality. I love this. This is super cute. A lot of texture to it. And I also got Dif Eyewear. It's a charitable eyewear company. Let's look at their glasses. Yeah, these are super cute. Look at this. Oh yeah. These are super cute. And I've been needing some sunglasses. That's one thing I don't buy myself is sunglasses. Mainly because I think it's because I'm cheap. And I'll be like, you want me to pay how much for sunglasses? No, I'm not doing that. So I'm glad that they participated and gave me some sunglasses. So that's really sweet of them. So just remember that each box is $49.99, but has a $200 value, which is super crazy. So FabFitFun, they now have a new thing where you can actually customize your box. So if there are certain things in my box that you don't like, you can actually customize it. And so that way you're getting items that you actually like. So if you guys are interested, again, I have a 40% off coupon, Danae40. I'll also have that link down below. Super easy. I mean, literally they give you all of these products for the low. Like, it's almost like, why not? So if you're interested, make sure you sign up, use my discount code, and yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. Until next time, you guys know what I always say. Deuces!